In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a menu in Webflow. Editing your website's menu is a crucial part of ensuring visitors can seamlessly navigate and interact with your content. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be confidently adjusting menu elements like a pro. Let's start by searching for Webflow on Google. Once you've done that, click on the Login or Sign Up option and simply follow the prompts to access or create your account. If you're new to Webflow, signing up is pretty straightforward, while logging in requires entering your credentials if you already have an account. This step is essential as it's the gateway to accessing your design projects. Next, open the website you wish to modify. If you have multiple projects, make sure you double-check and select the correct one. This will bring you into the powerful Webflow Designer, the hub where all customization magic happens. Once inside the designer, locate the navbar element you want to edit. This is typically at the top of your page layout. Clicking on this element will allow us to make the precise edits we need to ensure your visitors have a smooth experience navigating your site. With the navbar selected, head over to the right sidebar and identify the Settings tab. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of options specifically tailored to adjust and enhance your navbar's functionality. Now it's time to dive right into editing. Double-click on the navbar to open it for editing. From here, you can select individual nav-link elements if you wish to modify their text, update links, or even change their styling. If you want to adjust what these buttons say or where they direct your visitors, this is where you do it. Remember, clarity in navigation is crucial for user experience, so take your time here. Next, we'll shift our attention to the Style panel, also on the right side. This is your toolkit for adjusting the appearance of drop-downs within your menu. Whether you want to change the background color, adjust padding, or tweak the font style, the Style panel makes these adjustments straightforward and visual. If you desire to add an extra layer of interactivity, we can do that by setting interactions using the Interactions panel. You can define actions like hover or click to trigger the visibility of drop-downs, creating a dynamic and engaging menu for users. Once you're satisfied with the modifications, don't forget to publish your changes. This is a critical step as it makes all the edits you've worked on live for your audience to see. Just click on the Publish button, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your menu in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.